Yay, flashbang! Wait, I'm gonna go and get it and see if I can get a... Oh, she's coming up, actually.
I go down for the gen, but that's okay.
Way too late. Okay. I need to get better. I need to hear that grunt. Probably doesn't help that I have music on in the background right now. Maybe I should turn that off. Let's turn that off. Okay. I'll go in for unhook. Oh, what happened? What is that green bit? Oh, it's my button. Do I go for a beamer save? Since I'm here. No, I think I just get on. Oh, we should leave this gen. Is there one behind here? There is. Okay, we do this one instead. I'm gonna move chat down just a little bit because it pops. It gets covered by the great skill check thingamajiggy. Is that better? Yes, that's better. Okay, that's good. Hi, Jolly. Jolly. Oh! She's got scudgies! No! She's coming to me. Oh! Shit! It got me. I didn't know the dog could injure you like that. That's cool. Oh, you guys are on a gen there. Okay, I'll go this way. Where'd she go? Is she still on me? I can't tell. Hi, bestie. Can I get a butt rub, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Joe just came in and delivered me a chocolate frappe. I'm very happy. Wait, where was that gen? It was in here, wasn't it? Yes, right here. Okay. Hi, baby. Good gal. Hi.
I did hearted, but the game just lagged, which is always wonderful.
Can you potentially crawl to... Oh, shit. I keep recovering. Will she hear me from... Oh, she turns around.
She's facing away though.
No. Alright, let's get a flashbang. Coming, bestie. One hand on the keyboard, one hand opening my straw. Ah, I can't do it. Run, run. No! No, why?
I don't know why.
Why?
Okay, Dead Heart's just not able to be used when I'm lagging, I guess. That's really annoying.
I'm gonna try and just be busy.
The lag.
I know, but like... why?
It's alright.
It's only 4 gens. That sucks.
Don't know.
Sorry, bestie.
It's not your fault. I couldn't even use a perk because it took an extra 2 seconds for anything to activate for me.
Aw, that
That's
sucks.
just a server issue and a lag issue. So, oh well.
Robin, no. Oh. Wait. Oh, I pressed the wrong fucking button! I pressed my flashbang! Die for that. Shall we just let the fun get out? She shook her head at me.
The only thing I can think of is that she's maybe doing a deft.
Maybe. Oh, if I had my boon up, I could have picked myself up. I'm gonna go hide. Maybe I'll bleed out. Oh no, Funk's gonna get me up. Oh, cute. Thank you. I don't deserve it though. I completely forgot about my flashbang, so thank you. Where is she? We did main, didn't we? We did.
Main's done. And Killer coming by Killer Shack, going down to main, down the street.
Yeah, she knows I'm here.
Yeah, I think she can hear me grunting. Alright.
Maybe
just gonna
not.
keep up on it.
Wait, is it a boon? Okay. Let's put boon up. That way if she slugs at least, we could use that. Oh, she has Devour Hope, that's right. Oh, my resolution changed? Oh, what did I do wrong? What? It shouldn't have. I don't think I changed anything. Why would the resolution change on me? Also, where would the Devour be? I'll have to fix it in a second. Maybe it's in Water Tower? Oh, it's okay now? Oh, I wonder why it did that then. Oh, it is in here. I didn't even mean to fast forward that. I was like looking at stream. I've kind of just thrown this game. Sorry, gang. I should have booned it. I guess she'll know either way though, right?